In this video, I am going to guide you on how to change your email on the Amtrak app quickly and easily. Changing your email ensures you receive booking confirmation and important updates without any issues. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Open the Amtrak app on your mobile device. 2. Sign into your Amtrak account using your current credentials. 3. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top left or top right corner. 4. Select My Account or Profile from the menu options. 5. Look for the email section in your account settings. 6. Tap on the current email address to edit it. 7. Enter your new email address and confirm it if required. 8. Save the changes and check your new email for a confirmation message. Your Amtrak account is now updated with the new email address. Make sure to verify your new email to continue receiving notifications and updates.